Stationery or stationery, two words that sound the same, spelled differently and have completely different meanings. Let's have a look at which is which and how you can easily remember the difference. Stationery with an E and stationery with an A are homophones. They sound the same when we speak, however they are spelt differently and they have very different meanings. So let's take a look at the difference between the two and an easy way of remembering which is which so you always use the right one. Let's start with stationery with an E, which refers to writing materials. If you think of the sentence, my pencil was broken, so I wrote on the envelope with a pen. Look at the number of E's in that sentence. We have one in pen and pencil, and we have 3 in envelope. This makes it easy to remember that you use stationery with an E. Stationery with an A means not moving or at a standstill. If you think of the sentence, the car was at a standstill, stuck in a traffic jam, we have A's in car, standstill, traffic and jam. This reminds us to use stationery with an A. So there's 2 handy sentences for you that focus on the one letter that changes in the word stationery to change its meaning. Remember E for envelope, stationery with an E, A for standstill, stationery with an A. I hope that was useful to you. If you'd like to read the blog associated with this video, check out the description for the link. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more worry-free writing chat. See you soon.